Hi guys! Welcome again to my Boyax TV channel. This time, we are going to talk about indefinite pronoun. No? Kapag gagamitin mo yung mga indefinite pronoun, ano ba ang verb na dapat nating gamitin? No? Actually, may mga indefinite na the verb must singular because indefinite pronoun always takes singular verb. No? But there are also indefinite pronoun that takes plural verb. Okay? So, bago niya natin i-discuss, let us first give the example of indefinite pronoun. Kapag sasabihin mong indefinite, hindi mo alam, no? Not specific. Okay? Now, example of indefinite pronoun na kapag ginagamit natin yan bilang subject, it takes plural verb. Example, everybody, anybody, somebody, everyone, everything, someone, something, anything, each, either. Okay? So yon ang mga halimbawa or those are the examples of indefinite pronoun in which we're going to use singular verb. Example, everybody is invited in my birthday. Everybody is your subject. So therefore, we'll use S. Why? Because according to the rule, when you use indefinite pronoun, you have to use singular verb. For example, everything is under control. No? Everything is under control. Everything is your subject and is your verb. So therefore, you follow the rule. Okay? For example, we will use regular or irregular verbs. Anyone or someone gets my wallet. Someone gets my wallet. Why we add S to gets, which is our verb? Because someone is our subject, and when you use indefinite pronoun, just like someone, you have to add S to the verb. That is why someone gets my wallet. Okay? So, yun ang unang the first group of indefinite pronoun na dapat gamitin mo ang singular verb. However, mayroong mga indefinite pronoun. Mayroong apat, no? Mayroong apat na itong apat na to, tinatawag itong indefinite pronoun. Ito lang ang apat, no? Na gagamitin mo, you have to use plural verb. Okay, namely, we have several, many, both, few. I repeat, several, many, both, few. So yung apat, yun lang ang apat na indefinite pronoun na gagamitin mo ang plural verb. Example, you have to say, both listen to the lecture. So both listen the lecture. Why listen? Listen is our verb. Bakit hindi natin dinagdagan ng S? Dahil that is exemption to the rule. Both, no? When you use both in a sentence, you have to use plural verb. No? Few people are hungry. So, ginagamitan mo ng few. Few people are hungry. Few is an indefinite pronoun which takes plural verb. Another, the common verse in the Bible. Many are called, but only few are chosen. Many are called, but only few are chosen. Many are. Many is our subject, and few is our subject, and the use are. No, many are called but only few are chosen. And that is the exception of the rules for the indefinite pronouns. Apat lang, several, both, few, and many. So yung apat na mga indefinite pronouns na yan. Maraming salamat. Thank you so much.